To link SafePal with Treasure NFT, you need to start by accessing the SafePal app on your device. Open the app and navigate to the Settings or Wallet section, where you will find the option to connect to other platforms. Next, go to the Treasure NFT website and log into your account. If you do not have an account, create one by following the registration process. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Profile or Account Settings section, where you will find the option to connect a wallet. Click on this option and select SafePal as your wallet provider. You will be redirected to the SafePal app, where you will be prompted to authorize the connection. Review the authorization request and confirm that you want to link your SafePal wallet to Treasure NFT. After authorizing the connection, you will be redirected back to the Treasure NFT website, where you can verify that your SafePal wallet is now linked. You can do this by navigating to the Profile or Account Settings section and checking that your SafePal wallet address is displayed. To ensure a secure connection, make sure that you are using the latest version of the SafePal app and that your wallet is properly set up and funded. Additionally, be cautious when authorizing connections to other platforms and only connect to trusted websites and applications. By following these steps, you can successfully link your SafePal wallet to Treasure NFT and start exploring the world of NFTs. Remember to always prioritize security and only use trusted platforms to protect your digital assets. It is also important to note that linking your wallet to other platforms may involve some risks, such as exposing your wallet address to potential hackers. To mitigate these risks, make sure to use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication whenever possible. By taking the necessary precautions and following the steps outlined in this guide, you can safely and securely link your SafePal wallet to Treasure NFT and start enjoying the benefits of NFT ownership.